It's like 1:05 in the morning. There's supposed to be a rocket launch at Cape Canaveral, which is just really a few miles that way. It's like 15 miles that way. We've been wanting to see one for a month, and we keep missing it because it's at the middle of the night or something. But it's Saturday night, and we're going to try and check it out. Also, we're right by the water. This is the Indian River. It's the bay, essentially. It's part of the intracoastal waterway. So the Atlantic is just like 1 mile that way or half mile that way. We were going to go down to the beach, but then we'd have to park and walk a couple blocks, and we don't want to bother with that. So here you can just park right next to the road on the causeway and sit here. Over there's some guys fishing. Guy just threw in a cast net trying to catch some bait or some shrimp or something. But we didn't bring any bait. So this is where we're at. This is the bay. That's Amanda's legs. Stay tuned. Yeah, I see cop lights over there. Oh, look. It's going.
Starting. Holy cow, that like...
Whoa, that's crazy. I'd call that a launch.
Yep. I can't zoom in, my phone won't zoom in. Man, that lights up the whole sky.
Wow, that is amazing. It doesn't look as good in the video as it does in person, but that's cool. Going through some clouds. Now this one is supposed to have a booster stage that lands on its own. I don't know if we're going to capture that because it'll be really low. I know, I keep zooming in and out because I'm trying to make it look good in the video.
It won't let me. Oh, look at the stream now.
Something's happening there.
I lost it in my...
It's going horizontal.
I can't even see it in my phone anymore.
It's way up there. It's almost indiscernible now. And oh, you can hear it now. Listen. That's crazy. The rumbling kicks in minutes after the rocket launches. Well, I can still hear the rumbling in the distance of the rocket. It took forever for the sound to get to us. But anyway, now you've seen it. Thanks for watching. That was a rocket launch from Cape Canaveral. I guess that's a Space Force base?
Yeah, the Kennedy Space Force.
No, this one was Cape Canaveral. Cape Canaveral and Kennedy are two separate
Patrick
facilities next to each other.
Yes, the Patrick.
Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. There's a possum in my yard. Well, that was the creepiest thing ever. I just jumped out of my truck and almost stepped on a possum. So, yeah, got that too.